Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel once again, and today we're going to discuss about a very important term in dental anatomy, that is the mamelon. We should always know about that. So what is mamelon? Mamelons is nothing but the three rounded protuberance we can see in the permanent maxillary central incisor. So if we roughly diagram, draw a central incisor. So here you can see this is the root portion. This is the cervical line, here the crown, and this is all. So here you can see guys, this portion is root, this is the cervical line, and this portion is crown. And here you can see in the crown portion, in the occlusal surface, incisal surface, you can see there are three rounded protuberance. This is called as mamelons. These three rounded protuberance is called as mamelons. So these mamelons are made by lobes. There are lobes inside the central incisors. Three lobes, developmental lobes. From these developmental lobes, these mamelons are created, and in between these developmental lobes or mamelons, there are the developmental grooves are also present inside the teeth. So if we now clear the developmental lobes, so from what the mamelons are made? Mamelons are created from the developmental lobes. Three developmental lobes in central incisor, so three mamelons are made or created. Okay guys, this is one point. First point, made from developmental lobes. Developmental lobes. At first we have to write the definition. I will give a PDF in my description link. You can go here and download the PDF and watch all about the mamelons. Then definition, then we have to write all about mamelons. They are made from the developmental lobes. And in the next point, mamelons, we can see the mamelons only in the permanent maxillary central incisors, not in other tooth, not in canine, not in premolars, not in molars, just in the permanent maxillary central incisor. So only in permanent maxillary central incisors. Okay, this is not seen in primary dentition or deciduous dentition. Not seen in primary dentition. And the next point, if we see these three rounded shape protuberance, you can see guys in the incisal surface, these are called mamelons. I am drawing another tooth, just roughly guys. So we can divide each type of mamelons. If we make it out at the maxillary left, permanent maxillary left central incisor, this is the midline. Okay, so this is the central mamelon. This is the okay messiofacial or mesiolabial, you can say messiofacial or mesiolabial mamelon. This is distofacial mamelon or disto, you can say labial mamelon, because mamelons are only seen in the labial side, only in the labial side. So not seen in primary dentition, seen in permanent dentition, permanent maxillary central incisors, or there are seen in only in the newly erupted teeth, newly erupted teeth. After that, after some times, it grown down or worn down, you can say. Soon After erupting, soon it is worn down. Worn down. Okay, there is another point. So here you can collect all points, guys. And the last point you can say, in congenital syphilis, mamelons are not present or the central mamelon is absent. In congenital syphilis, mamelons is absent. Okay, so there are solves about retelling points of the mamelon. At first you have to give the definition. Mamelons are nothing but the three rounded shaped protuberance in the labial side of the permanent maxillary incisors. Then you can say this is not seen in primary dentition, so this is absent in primary dentition. This is present only in the permanent dentition. Then you can say we can see this only in the newly erupted permanent central incisor, newly erupted. Then you can see after erupting some days, soon it is worn down or disappears. Then the last one you can say, in congenital syphilis, mamelons are properly absent or central mamelon. This is the central mamelon. This is the distolabial or distofacial mamelon, and there is the mesiofacial or mesiolabial mamelons. These mamelons are absent in congenital syphilis. So these are all points, guys. This is all about the mamelons. So this is all about today's topic. So goodbye, guys, and see you again. Bye.